Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, I want to specify one thing. I have using the old one. Let's start the basic discussion on JavaScript. And the basics of JavaScript, to be precise. In JavaScript, variables are containers used to store data values. You think of them as labels that points to specified data in memory, like members, like text or objects. Variables are declared using the keywords var, let, or constant. And we can see here types where var, let, constant. As they specified, you can see there. Example programs you can see for the var. I have declared here and I have printed here the probably not the probably the output. And for the let age is equal to 25. You can see constant here. Yeah, I wanted to say one thing. uh, when you are using the constant, make sure that the value does not change. It's the basic meaning of constant, right? Yeah. Some important points about this. Let the constant of JavaScript, because they provide different scoping rules. I'll always use constant if the value won't change, as it makes your code more predictable. Okay. And the next topic, JavaScript. An array in JavaScript, arrays. Second topic, arrays. The basic meaning of arrays, it stores the elements of the same data type in other programming language. It's moreover same here. An array in JavaScript is a special type of object that stores multiple values in a single variable. Arrays are used to organize data in list format, where each element is indexed starting from 0. Some key features about arrays: can hold multiple types of data, numbers, strings, objects. Supports various built-in methods for manipulating data. Examples: push, pop, map, filter. Dynamic in size. You can add, remove. You can access it. And you can manipulate it too. For the basic reasons, you can see here examples. I have used let to declare an array. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Array of strings, right? Yeah. Let's and second array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have declared here. The mixed one, uh, and string and number, as I said here, it is moreover than any other true. As a boolean function. And here you can see the output, and here you can see the print statement for fruits. The output will be like this. And the accessing elements, I have given the 0th element. The output will be apple. I have given the second element. The output will be 3, as you can see here. Modifying, using push, pop, you can modify. I have uh, used push operation here for adding orange. It adds orange at the end. You can see the output here. Fruit pop, it removes the last one. It removes the last one from the list. You can see here the orange is not there. uh, Here fruit 1 is equal to grape 5. For this syntax, you can replace the before object. I'm sorry, before element. Let numbers and the array methods. You can see here map function to get the required condition. It more or less like acts as a if or if else condition here. Here's the one condition. It gives the square of it. Here's the other condition. It is a filter here. You can see some important points on arrays. Arrays in JavaScript are 0 indexed. It's the basic one. In every language it was 0. Use push, pop, shift, unshift, slice for adding or removing. I can you can read the last one. I have hold it for a second. I think so. Yeah, super. JavaScript objects. I think it was a new topic. It was not introduced in other programming languages. What I mean to say was it was not there. Okay? Don't know. No offenses. In JavaScript, an object is a collection of key value pairs where the key is also called properties are unique identifiers, and the values can be data, string, strings, numbers, arrays, other objects or functions called methods. Objects are used to model real world entities and organize complex data. As you all can see the definition, inculcate it. It will be useful. The key features of the objects, key value structure. Each value property name is a string or symbol, and its value can be any type. I think you got the point there. It can be any type. It can be string. It can be symbol. It is diversified. The second one, dynamic. Properties can be added, updated, or removed. In simple terms, it is accessible, it is removable, it is manipulatable. I think the word is wrong, manipulatable. You can manipulate that. Nested. As you all know, in loops, we will use nested loops. The same applies here. Object under a object. And the methods. Functions inside objects that can act on the data object data. Okay, I think you got it. Oh. You can see some examples. Creating an object using object literal syntax. Let person. I'm sure that it is useful for you. I think you are going through it. Yeah. It's a basic one. Here are the accessing properties, updating properties, deletion properties. Yeah, everything. Next, an object under object. I think you got it. Some important hell of the points. Objects are mutable, meaning you can modify them even after creation. Yeah, as I said, it is accessible. It is it can be manipulated. Use the key. The second point you can read. Use object keys, values, entities, others, arrays. Yeah, you can see here. Um, JavaScript. And the fourth and the final topic for my video is the hell of a loops. I think loops are the souls of the programming languages, in my opinion. And the basic definition was loops in JavaScript allows you to repeat a block of code multiple times until a specific condition is met. There are essential for tasks like iterating through arrays, processing data, and automating repetitive actions. I think you got my point. It's very easy to understand. It was classified into 5 types. Mostly we will use 3. Those 5 types are for loop, while loop, do while loop, for off loop, for in loop. Mostly first 3 was used. I think the last 3, yeah, you can see there. You can read the definition, bro. Once I will stay. Once I will be here. Example program. Here is the for loop. The syntax is pretty easy. For let I is equal to 0, I greater than 5, I forward increment. I think I forgot what to call them. Yeah, forward increment in my. You can see the you can see the print statement iteration is equal to I. It will print I iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration up to iteration 4, right? Yes. The while loop, let count is equal to 0 while count is greater than 0. You can see here incremented. You can see the output here. Do while loop, you can see the syntax and you can see it. As I said, these two are not used often, so I'm not giving you the examples. Don't think that I don't know them. I know. Important point. Choose the loop based on your task for a fixed, here. Yeah, it's clear now. For a fixed count, while for the conditions of the literal retrievable I think you can read it. It's pretty easy. I think you are Waiting for the VS Code. I'll show you right now. Wait. Where the fuck is it now? Um, our VS Code is opening. Yeah, you can see here. Here's the first. I will for you. I will run it for the first. I will run it. You can see the outputs here. The second one. Oh, sorry, I mistakenly closed the note. You can see I have copied them to Word. It was there. I will run it for you too. Okay, I think you can. I think you are seeing. I think you are getting this. Yeah, the third one. And the third one was pretty easy, bro. It's very easy. You can see it here. And the fourth one. Yeah, I got it. Yes. I'll keep it for you for a second. Yes. That's all, buddy. Thank you. Sorry, I have forgotten to show you if you thing that is more often important. This is my opening script for the last video, and the same for the next video too, because it was very nice. Because all the videos are based on JavaScript, right? Thank you. I'm closing it.